Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share Telegram group link. So actually it is very easy. First of all, you need to open the Telegram and open the group of what group's link you want to share. So for example, I want to share the link of this group, so I need to click on the icon of the group in the top right corner, and here I will find the settings of this group. So you need to simply click on the add members right here and go and click on invite to group via link. So here will be the link to this group. So by clicking on share link or just simply copying this link like this, you will be able to send this link to any person you want, and they will be able to find this group and join. But basically, if the administrator does not allow basic people to share the link to this group, you won't find this button right here. So you will need to ask the admin of this group, so he will generate the link for you, and you will be able to share this link also. And basically that is how you can share the group link in Telegram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.